Hello, now welcome straight lo Strongim Bilif Podcast. Dispela nupla something where now come lo phone blue you. Nemblo mi Manuel Feige, mi walk one time live inside mission. Na live inside mission is stop inside lo country since 1914. Na mi bla pinga different role, different walk lo before time. And now yet too, mi bla try some nupla initiatives lo bring him good news too. I come lo phone blow one man inside lo country. Na you mi try lo pull up in digital space one time good news na good pla talk na encouraging talk. So this pla one pla series where me bla bringing now lo phone blow you. We are starting this podcast or some video podcast where you can look him one fortnight and one plan nupla video by come up, one plan nupla devotion come no phone blue, one plan nupla testimony come or encouragement come. Also now me call him this podcast Strongim Bilif because start this thing lo Strongim Bilif blow you one where you watch him this video. This first series me go inside me look lo character na passing po Papa God. Papa God and one him kind man. Na mipla man, do this background, mipla stop or semonem. Na how mipla can pass one time. And this pla, and first series mipla start him off the next fortnight. So please, you pla alert, stop the phone. Check him all get a new pla updates, he come to this pla podcast, now watch him. One way is stop lo watching podcast from mipla. He got different way lo watch him. He got way lo watching video lo YouTube. He got way lo harim tasol. Lo Apple Podcast, stop lo Spotify Podcast, stop lo iHeartRadio, different all platforms where always I host him all podcast and you can look him now you can watch him. Now something too, you can look him inside lo Facebook too. You got one pla Facebook group. When employ him too and one can also podcast blow me Strongim Bilif Podcast. So this pla option is stop lo you can watch him this pla video or harem tasol. Lo Strongim Bilif blow you. Please, thank you to watch him, thank you lo harem. God bless.